Hello again. This video is part of the week 2 module, and this week we will discuss the influence of philosophy on the development of psychology. We'll learn more about the contributions from the ancient Greek philosophers all the way up to philosophers in the 19th century. I like to start the semester off with a brief review of world history. Now, normally when we have class on campus, we would do this on the second day, we would do it in groups, and then we would explore the timeline together. Because this is now an online class, I've moved that experience to an online extra credit opportunity that you can find in week 1. But here is a sort of a summary of scientific advancement over the last 2,000, 3,000 years. You can see different time periods here, the Egyptians, Greeks, Romans. During the Christian Dark Ages, the level of scientific advancement was relatively low, and then the Renaissance, the Age of Enlightenment, all the way up until modern day ages, which we call modern science. What is the difference between philosophy and physiology? The field of philosophy is focused on the study of knowledge, of abstract ideas, how they form, why they exist, where we learn them. Physiology is a more concrete science. Physiologists study the body and how different organs and different body parts function to help the organism survive.